Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can track changes and restore versions in the Google Docs. So if you want to restore the versions of your document in the Google Docs, you can just follow the steps right here. And first, you need to see the track of changes that you made on the document. You can click on this icon at the top, this time icon, or you can also click on file and go to the version history. Tap on this see version history and you'll see the changes. You can keep tracks of changes you made on the document, and if you want to restore into a certain version, you can just click on the three dots icon of the versions and tap on this restore this version. Click on that, tap on restore, and just like that, the document will be restored into the versions that you selected. And so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on thanks. Bye.